Welcome, Gaza. We bring the taste of Kian and Manamlele. Palabura Zanin here. Tomorrow's going down. We are going for a grand opening.
Okay.
Everyone is invited. Small businesses.
Yeah.
Kuala Afridom Park, Park Drive, and then Jinaker. Kuala Gaza Kitchen.
Yeah.
And don't forget, sikutana na mina isikura vanhu vona n'wana va endlaka mabindzu lamatsongo va ti-podcast vo sithole hi mina va ta va ri laha va ka va yisa ti-drone laha va ka va hi nyiketa quality straight vo tsena va ti-picture around laha.
Yeah.
Danko.
Away. Hi guys, before we get into today's video guys, t-shirt are still available, 200 each, 350 for two. Get yours today. Enjoy today's video guys. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Every time when we drop anything guys, you'll be notified. So today guys, I heard that Philani will be opening his kitchen, Gaza Kitchen, in Freedom Park, and I live next to Gaza Kitchen. So I was like, you know what, today is 7th, let me go and have a chat with Philani if maybe we can record something. I went there, I greeted some people there. As you can see, there's like a banner of my channel right there. That's where we're gonna be conducting interviews to people who will be attending Gaza Kitchen grand opening tomorrow, which is 8th of June. Yeah man, so next to Gaza Kitchen there's like a car wash. As you can see there, a lot of people were busy waving. As you can see, there's a car wash. So if ever your car is dirty or anything, don't worry about it. Next to Gaza Kitchen, they will take care of you. So I went there man, just to create boys doing what they do best. As you can see, there's like a Quantum there, there's like a Polo there as well. Keep it moving. When I look up, I was like, whoa, who is that? I was like, that is manager Philani inside the Gaza Kitchen. So I went there, just to greet him. He was busy talking with some other dudes there. Then I was like, oh, you know what, let me not disturb him, I'll see him later. So as you can see at the back there, there's like a fire there where they will be grilling our chicken, they will be grilling our beef. That there's a lot that's going to be happening guys. Please come through tomorrow on the 8th. The grand opening is happening tomorrow guys. So it's easy guys, it's next to Italiana. So if ever Freedom Park, Italiana, they sell booze just across the kitchen. They sell like alcohol there. Then I went inside the kitchen. As you can see, they're preparing your cucumbers, your tomatoes, your onions, your spinach. Everything has been, it's good there. Then we even got the chance to go to the kitchen as well. Ladies are busy preparing, even today they were busy cooking. Here and there I even saw manager showing them how it is done. Guys, manager is a very, very hands-on person guys. He don't just chill and fold his arms guys. So this is Gaza Kitchen, home away from home guys. So this is the front view. Most of you guys, you see only this part. So this is the front view. These benches are for public guys. If ever you are waiting for a taxi or anything, you can just chill there. So at the back there, remember I said they were busy making some fire. As you can see here, they're busy making some fire so they can start grilling. We don't need that whole fire. The fire must go down a bit there so we don't burn the meat. There's a lot of people guys who are parking cars at the back there. As you can see guys, I'm busy showing you everything, guys. I'm showing you guys everything. You see, this is where a lot of things gonna be happening, guys. This is where a lot of things gonna be happening tomorrow on the 8th, guys. Don't forget 8th June, guys. Please come through, guys. Come in numbers, guys. Come in numbers. Let's support Manager Philani. Let's support Black Excellency, guys. Let's support Black Excellency. This is where it's gonna be happening, guys, tomorrow. So please come through. So where to Freedom Park, just at the back of Naturena, guys, just at the back of Kaiser Chiefs. Please come through. Let's come and enjoy. You see, as I told you guys, that like, yo, Manager is a hands-on person.
Welcome to Gaza. We bring the taste of Giyani and Malamlele. Palabura Zanin here. Tomorrow's going down. We are going for a grand opening.
Okay.
Everyone is invited. Small businesses.
Yeah.
Wala Afridom Park. A Park Drive and then Jinaker. Wala Gaza Kitchen.
Yeah.
And don't forget, sikutana na mina isiku ra vanhu vona n'wana vendla n'wamabindzu lamatsongo va ti-podcast vo sithole hi mina va ta va ri laha va ka va yisa ti-drone laha va ka va hi nyiketa quality straight vo tsena va ti-picture around laha.
Yeah.
Danko.
Away. Yes, guys, that was Manager Philani, the owner of Gaza Kitchen, home away from home, guys. Yeah, man, so he gave us some few words there, promising us that like tomorrow, guys, it's gonna be late here. It's gonna be late and it's gonna be packed. Guys. You don't want to miss this one, guys. It's gonna be like a memorable grand opening, guys. Please come in numbers, guys. Let's pull up. Let's support Black Excellency, guys. This is Black Excellency, guys. So please come through, guys, in numbers. Tell a friend to tell a friend that in Freedom Park, Gaza Kitchen is opening tomorrow on the 8th of June. So yeah, it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit, guys. It's gonna be lit. From me, Sithole Himina, signing out, guys. See you tomorrow. Ciao.